Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to SONY XPERIA 5.4. Firstly, open Play Store on Sony and App Store on Apple. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now on iPhone you need to click on Ask app not to track or allow. Click on Allow access to all photos and choose whatever you wish to in Notifications pop-up. Now from this screen, click on Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Click on Close this window and tap on Not now if you wish to in this one. Then close it by tapping on OK. In this pop-up, you can choose OK and enable your notifications or tap on Cancel. Now open your app on Sony, choose one of those options in Notifications pop-up, and in order to use Send Anywhere, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Over here you can click on Not Now and select OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your iPhone and Receive over here at the bottom of your Sony. Then click on Select in all of those categories. And when you finish, choose Send next to Selected. This way you will pick all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Sony, pick one of those options, click on Close this window and select the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to Input key, choosing while using or only this time and pointing your camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Now after a couple of seconds, I'm sorry, I made a typo. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!